Welcome back to Automobiles Car. Today, we're diving deep into the exterior of the 2025 Tata Nexon, a compact SUV that has been making waves in the automotive world. This model takes the Nexon legacy and elevates it with fresh design elements and features that demand attention. At first glance, the 2025 Tata Nexon presents a bold and muscular stance. The front fascia is dominated by a striking grille that integrates seamlessly with sleek LED headlights. These headlights feature a futuristic design, providing excellent illumination while adding to the car's aggressive look. Below the grille, a robust bumper enhances the sporty appeal, incorporating air intakes that not only serve a functional purpose but also give the Nexon a dynamic presence. Moving along the side, the Nexon showcases a sculpted profile with sharp character lines. These lines run from the front fender to the rear, creating a sense of motion even when stationary. The wheel arches are pronounced, accommodating larger alloy wheels that complement the SUV's rugged aesthetic. The compact dimensions contribute to its agility while providing a spacious feel inside. As we shift to the rear, the design language remains consistent with the front and sides. The tailgate features a distinctive design, highlighted by a stylish LED taillight cluster that wraps around the edges. This not only improves visibility but also adds a modern touch. The rear bumper is robust, incorporating reflectors and a skid plate that emphasize the vehicle's off-road capabilities. The 2025 Nexon is available in a variety of vibrant colors, allowing buyers to express their personality. The paint quality is exceptional, ensuring durability and a glossy finish that stands the test of time. Tata has done an excellent job of offering colors that resonate with both younger and older demographics. In addition to its aesthetics, the exterior design of the Nexon is also driven by aerodynamics. The sculpted roofline and rear spoiler not only enhance the visual appeal but also improve fuel efficiency. This attention to detail is crucial for a vehicle in this segment. The build quality of the 2025 Nexon is impressive, with a strong body structure and high-quality materials. It's designed to withstand the rigors of daily use. Tata's focus on safety is evident in the robust construction, which contributes to overall stability and performance on the road. One standout feature of the exterior is the integration of smart technology. The Nexon offers features like keyless entry and a smart reverse camera, seamlessly incorporated into the design. These technologies enhance convenience and safety, while also adding to the modern look of the vehicle. In conclusion, the 2025 Tata Nexon presents a compelling package with its bold exterior design, athletic stance, and modern features. It's a vehicle that not only looks good but also performs well on the road. Whether you're navigating city streets or heading off the beaten path, the Nexon stands out as a reliable and stylish choice. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the 2025 Tata Nexon's exterior, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more automotive content. Until next time, drive safe.